Kia ora, local news for Monday the 3rd of August. Green MP Chloe Swarbrick will be in Masterton today, speaking at the YMCA. She'll cover topics such as the drug law reform, mental health, with a session for youth at 4:30pm and open to the public from 7:30pm. July was a record month for real estate in the region, but with the lack of available houses to sell. Housing stock was down a whopping 46.2% in the region, with new listings down nearly 40%. The asking price across the region was up 6.7% though, to just over $559,000. In New Zealand's popular Kyoto Magazine will be in the back seats of domestic flights from this month. The August edition of the magazine will feature several regions, including Wairarapa. Transurban, Forestry Enterprises and Golden Cheers have all made the finalists list for the Wellington Gold Award, so congratulations to you all. And finally in sports, in Premier Rugby at the weekend, 4 clubs are on 17 points. Weekend results saw Marist beat Martinborough 41-35 of the Jubilee weekend. Ekatahuna on Old Timers Day beat Greytown 19-17. Carterton beat East Coast on their Old Timers Day 32-22, while Gladstone pipped Pioneer 33-17. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.